Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to transform 3 kinds of fruit and make them have a dancing fruit party. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. First we're going to draw the 3 fruit. We're going to start with the strawberry first, and that's the top middle of the page. It's a heart shape but more rounded. And that's going to be the body of the strawberry. And pointy leaves on top, about 4. Big round eyeballs. And inside each eyeball we're going to draw 2 small circles, one a little larger than the other. And then a line across with a curved line down and a bump inside to make it look like he has his mouth open with his tongue showing. One arm is going to go up in the air with 3 small fingers, and the other is going to point down and be a little curved with 3 small fingers. And for the 2 legs, we're going to put a line down with a little line on the bottom so it looks like he's walking or dancing. Then we're going to work on the watermelon. It's a triangle shape with a curve on the bottom. And then go up a little higher to make another curve for the rind of the watermelon. 2 big round eyeballs. And again, 2 small circles, one a little bigger than the other. Curved line down for the mouth, a line across, and then a bump for the tongue inside the mouth. 3 small seeds on the cheek. And an arm up with 3 small fingers. And the other arm up with 3 small fingers. For his leg, we're going to put a line down and we're going to face the little line the opposite direction because he's moving the opposite way of the strawberry. And for the other leg, we put a little bend in it to look like he has his knee up in the air. Now for the apple. It's a heart shape again, but very rounded this time. Two big circles for the eyes, and then 2 small circles inside of each eye, and then a curved line with a loop for the mouth and tongue. One of his arms is going to go up in the air with 3 small fingers, and the other is going to curve down a little bit with 3 small fingers. And he's going to face the watermelon, so his legs are lined down and little lines face the watermelon. A rectangle for the stem, a leaf shape with a little line in it, and now we're going to work on the floor. And I like to use a ruler for this so I can get some nice straight lines. And I'm going to go on diagonal across my page starting near the apple. You don't need to measure the distance, you can just eyeball how far apart the lines are. They need to go behind the fruit. And then I'm going to go opposite diagonal direction to make squares on the floor. And now we're going to have some of our fruit have balloons, so I draw a wavy line up through the watermelon's hand. circle shape for the balloon, and then I draw like a little triangle on the bottom to look like the balloon is tied. And the strawberry is going to have 2 balloons. So a circle on the end of the curvy line with a triangle. And then I like to put a little spot on there to look like it's shiny. And now outline everything with a black permanent marker. Fill in all the eyeballs with a black permanent marker. And the strawberry needs seeds, so add seeds to the strawberry. Do a little erasing where you might have missed the pencil with the black permanent marker. And now it's time to start coloring. A red strawberry. Red for the watermelon. Red for the apple. Green for the top of the strawberry. And for the bottom of the watermelon. And for the leaf on the apple. Brown for the stem. Dark pink for all of the tongues. And light pink for inside the mouth. And then color your balloons. I used light pink on one, light blue on another, and light green on the third one. And then for the floor, color every other square so it looks like a checkerboard, and I used yellow for this. And our dancing fruit party is done. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be transforming a lot more fruit and a bunch of other things.